Salads can be an opening act, part of the supporting cast, and occasionally the headliner itself. Today we thought we'd share with you a couple of our favorite salads. First off, we have this colorful, delightfully simple asparagus salad with avocado vinaigrette. The ingredients are few: lovely green asparagus, ripe tomatoes, red bell pepper, good olive oil, lemon, and red wine vinegar. When the asparagus have a bit of a woody stem, as these early asparagus do, you can peel the stem and expose the tender stalk. Leave the bright green tips exposed. Now, to really set the color before grilling, you need to blanch them in some boiling salted water. Here our water is boiling. You can really be aggressive when you salt the water, blanch vegetables. Not that much saline gets through by osmosis. After they're about 3/4, shock them in ice water. You want to shock them when they're still a bit firm and set aside. To make the vinaigrette, first we'll roast the red pepper. Start it up over a flame, then wrap it, steam off the skin. At home, we do a bunch of these and then hold them in olive oil in the fridge, where they last a couple of weeks. I'll cut some tomatoes. Anything you have that is sweet and ripe will do. Lastly, take an avocado. You want one that is just right, not too soft. Hold it against the board and roll my knife around the stone. Less chance of cutting. Remove the stone and then use a spoon to remove the hemisphere. Cube this up and we're ready to go. In goes the avocado, tomato, and red peppers. Next, olive oil, lemon juice, wine vinegar, and then we'll season it with salt and pepper. It's just that simple. Now, just aggressively stir to emulsify the avocado into the oil without breaking the avocado too much. Looking for chunks of avocado, not guacamole. Sometimes I'll add a fresh herb if I'm feeling frisky, but today, not so much. I grill the asparagus on the stove in a grill pan. But if it's summer and you've got a big porterhouse steak on the grill, then put your asparagus on too. Now we just plate the grilled asparagus on a platter like this, spoon over the sauce, and honestly, this makes a great side dish for any dinner, whether you're at the table or on the deck. When your salad needs to shine like a diva, I like this smoked salmon salad. I'm starting with some sockeye today. We do this also with hand-cured gravlax, but we'll save that for another recipe video. Next, we'll julienne some vegetables. Here we go. With the cucumber, done. Red pepper, done. Green beans, nature handled these. Zucchini, done. Tomato, done. And chives.
Red onion, done.
Oh, wait! How do you do that? Back it up a little. Use a sharp paring knife and remove the tomato skin from the flesh in a spiral, like this. And at this point, boom, you got yourself a roast. For the dressing, I've got shallot, garlic, Dijon mustard, olive oil, champagne vinegar, and dill, plus salt. Mince shallot, garlic, and Dijon into a bowl. Set the bowl over a rolled up towel so it won't move. That way you can use a whisk and drizzle the oil at the same time. Add the oil in a steady stream until fully emulsified. Then add the chopped dill. To plate this salad, I'll take a sheet of plastic and arrange the salmon like this. In another bowl, we'll add some baby lettuces, vegetables, and a bit of the dressing. Toss this and then lay the vegetable vertically across the salmon. Now roll the salad and squeeze it together. Plate, drizzle some more dressing on your plate. Lay your wrapped salad on top and then just pull back the covers like this. We'll garnish with chopped chives, capers, and the tomato rose. The perfect pairing for this is a rosé, and you've got something pretty enough to share.